Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially despite earning a decent income? The answer may not lie in how much money you make, but in how well you understand the principles that govern money. In his insightful book, 12 Laws of Money, Manhardeep Singh explains that wealth is not a matter of luck. It is the result of following timeless financial laws that influence how money enters, grows, and stays in our lives. One of the most memorable quotes from the book is, "Money is a great servant but a bad master." Manhardeep Singh. This simple statement reminds us that money should work for us, not control our decisions, emotions, or lifestyle. Let's explore 5 powerful lessons from this book. Many people focus only on earning more money, but the book teaches us that income is often a reflection of the value we provide. The more useful your skills become, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Instead of asking, "How can I make more money?" ask yourself, "How can I become more valuable?" When you solve bigger problems, help more people, or develop specialized skills, money naturally follows. Successful people understand that wealth is usually a reward for creating value, not simply working longer hours. Most people receive their salary and immediately start paying bills, loans, and expenses. What's left, if anything, becomes savings. The book challenges this habit. It suggests paying yourself first by automatically setting aside a portion of every paycheck before spending on anything else. Even if it's a small amount, consistency matters more than size. Saving is not what you do with leftover money. Saving should be your first financial priority. Over time, this habit creates a strong financial foundation and reduces dependence on future paychecks. One of the greatest advantages in building wealth is patience. Many people want quick results, but wealth often grows slowly before it grows rapidly. This is where the power of compounding comes into play. When you save and invest consistently, your money begins generating returns. Then those returns begin generating additional returns. Over time, small amounts can grow into significant wealth. The earlier you start, the greater the benefit. The lesson is simple. Don't underestimate the power of small actions repeated consistently for years. A common financial mistake is buying things that appear valuable but actually drain money. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Many people spend heavily on luxury items before building a strong financial base. True financial freedom comes from acquiring assets that generate income, such as investments, businesses, or other productive resources. When your assets begin producing income, wealth becomes much easier to maintain and grow. Money decisions are often emotional. People buy things to impress others. They panic when markets decline. They make decisions based on fear, greed, or social pressure. The book reminds us that financial success requires emotional discipline. The ability to remain calm during uncertainty can be more valuable than any investment strategy. Avoid comparing your life to others. Focus on your own financial goals. The people who win financially are often the ones who remain patient and rational when everyone else is reacting emotionally. One of the most practical pieces of advice from this book is not to wait until you have a large amount of money before managing it wisely. Good financial habits should begin today, regardless of your income level. A simple challenge is to track every dollar you spend for the next 30 days. You may be surprised by where your money is actually going. Awareness is often the first step toward financial freedom. The lessons in 12 Laws of Money remind us that wealth isn't built through luck or shortcuts. It is built through discipline, patience, smart decisions, and a clear understanding of how money works. Remember, money is a great servant, but a bad master. Use money as a tool to build the life you want, but never allow it to control who you become. If you enjoyed this book summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing books and powerful lessons. Use money as a tool to build the life you want, but never allow it to control who you become.